to the campus tour of the National Institute of Technology, Warangal. We have a lot to show you, so if you're enrolled as a student or a proud alumni or an aspirant, sit back and enjoy the show. Renowned to be one of the topmost institutions in the country, which receives an astounding 1.5 lakh applications for around 900 undergraduate seats split in 8 engineering departments. Run the math and you can see that the competition is cutthroat. Established in 1959 by the then Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, NIT Warangal was born as Regional Engineering College, Warangal. It transcended through generations and was rechristened as an NIT in 2002 and was given the status as an institution of national importance in 2007. Its mixed heritage gives it a unique facet amongst its fellow NITs. The pride of our institution lies in its students and its faculty. While times change, there's one motto at NITW that defines every single one of our past, our present, and our future. One who works shall succeed. We're here at the Central Library, which is revered by our bookworms and bibliophiles.
This place has around 200,000 books, including the latest novels and complete access to Indian and foreign journals. Augmenting the hardbound pages of the textbooks and the journals, the library also has 50 systems providing the network facilities, which provides you access to the complete digital content.
What you see here is perhaps the biggest hostel in Asia. Known as the Ultra Mega Hostel, or fondly called as 1.8K, it is home to all first-year undergraduates that take their first steps into the world of engineering through NIT Warangal.
richly deserves. Era of LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization. That's a reality. LPG, in other sense, if you use it properly, you can run motors. If you mishandle LPG, you know what will happen. I need not explain. So we must be ready for competition. What I am saying now in Warangal will be known in Washington in few minutes. What is happening there will be known here. So you must be ready to face the challenges of the competition. You must learn by others' experience. There is a saying, wise men learn from others' experience and fools learn from their own experience. We are all wise men. So we should learn from others' experience, interact with others, and then try to pass on to the society. You are studying in one of the best engineering institutes in the country, my dear students. You must take the best use of your stay in this campus. Remember that excellence is the hallmark of achievers. Light, so much light in India. I went to London some time back. The driver told me, "Good morning, sir. Today is a very sunny day." I told him, "Sunny day? What is sunny day? Is your son's birthday?" He said, "No, sir. Sunny day, sir. Sun is bright." Then I told him, "Poor fellow, in India 365 days is sunny days." But we never tapped sun. Now we have started. The Prime Minister took initiative for a solar alliance of 121 nations. More and more nations are joining and ready to join also. The new technologies and innovations are changing the world like never before. Our universities, our IITs, our NITs must promote the culture of innovation and reach out to make India a powerhouse of knowledge. My appeal to all the universities and also research centers across the country is make India as a hub, powerhouse of knowledge. That should be our goal.
60 వసంతాలు పూర్తి చేసుకున్న వరంగల్ నిట్ ఏడాది పాటు వజ్రోత్సవాలు నిర్వహిస్తోంది. వేడుకలకు ఉపరాష్ట్రపతి వెంకయ్య నాయుడు ప్రారంభించారు. జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ దూరదృష్టి ఉన్నత విద్యకు ప్రాధాన్యం ఇచ్చినందువల్లే ఈ స్థాయిలో ఉన్నామని వెంకయ్య నాయుడు కొనియాడారు. స్మార్ట్ సిటీగా ఎంపికైన వరంగల్లో వారసత్వ సంపదను, సంస్కృతి, సంప్రదాయాలను పరిరక్షిస్తూ అభివృద్ధి చెందాలన్నారు.
Warangal has a great history and there are great monuments like Ramappa Temple, Thousand Pillars, all these things, they all add to the glory of our civilization. So we must preserve and also highlight those ancient civilizational things. Whatever new technologies might come, but we should remember our ancient old technologies and architecture. You must come out with new ideas.
ఏడాది పాటు జరగనున్న వజ్రోత్సవాల్లో విద్యార్థులకు ఉపయోగకరంగా నిలిచే సదస్సులు, కార్యశాలలు జరగనున్నాయి. వేడుకల్లో భాగంగా ఏడాది పాటు ఎన్నో విజ్ఞానదాయకమైన కార్యక్రమాలకు నిట్ రూపకల్పన చేసింది. దేశ విదేశాల్లోని ప్రముఖ శాస్త్రవేత్తలు, పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలను నిట్కి